Well, the release lever here no longer works on my miter saw workstation mounting brackets. They don't offer just the lever itself, unfortunately. You have to buy the complete bracket. We're going to take these off, put new ones on. We're going to see if we can repair these somehow. Little tool maintenance next. I'm Rick, and this Shut the heck up, you stinking boosters. Prepare that for your sanity. This is the shack. Hey everybody, welcome. Hey, if you're new to the channel, first time stopping by, thank you so much for taking some of your time out to view. Always ask that you would consider subscribing. If you do, ring the ding ding ding, that bell down there. Yeah, so you're notified when the videos do come out. And I've had the brackets for about a month now. I've just been busy doing anything else. A couple days before Christmas, so I'm in the shop taking care of a few last minute things. And one thing I have to do is I want to put the new brackets on so I can use my miter saw. And we're going to see if there's any way we can repair the release levers here on this set that's broken. First thing first, I have a 13 millimeter. It will release the back, I think it's a carriage bolt, and that Phillips screw for the front bolt. And the nut is in here and it'll just come loose. We can always stick it if we have to somehow and hold it. So I'm going to yank this off real quick and then we'll take them to the bench and see if we can fix something. Okay, there's those. Let's lift this up. Take that out. Okay, let's go to the bench, check it out. Okay, here are the two that are broken. And you're supposed to be able to push this down. You can see right there. This is supposed to kick back far enough to open this, and it doesn't. So I have to get in here, release it, push down, and see now you can release it from the workstation. But for some reason, this is not kicking that little lever out. I got these through the tool nut. I will have a link below in case you need it, but we're going to see if we can repair these. Mounting hardware, which I don't need. So I'm going to show you the difference. Now see the lever right there. Now when I push down here, you can see how far it's kicking out? That's what it's supposed to do, so you can push down and release it. So it's a one-handed operation. Use your finger, push down, releases the safety lever there. You grab onto it, squeeze it, and now you can release it from the workstation. See? It doesn't go all the way, so I got to figure out why it's not kicking it out far enough, because you can't do it, and that's why I always have to go in, push it out a little bit so I can squeeze the handle here to release it from the workstation. So I'm going to take that off and I'm going to see what's wrong with this, if there's any way I can fix it. So I'm just going to use an adjustable on this side. Let's take this thing off just to see what we're looking at. It's got a little spring tension in there. Let's see. I wonder. Tell you what, if just putting a little WD-40 here makes it slide easier, I'm going to be upset. Just put very little bit of grease in there, a little bit of WD-40, and just see. It's just not doing. Oh, it's actually a little bit better. Let's see if I can get this one to work without taking it off. Well, that kind of bites. Check this out. All this time I thought it was broke. Who would have figured by putting a little WD-40 in it would work. Wow. I wonder if I can send these back. I don't need them. Well, that's a little disheartening. A little WD-40 and now it works fine. So now I got to reassemble this. What's this way? Okay, that goes in there and that goes in there. There we go. Look at that. Shot of WD-40 on that little lever down there. Basically, right in there, a little spring, shoot it in there because right underneath the spring is what kind of rides on the lever inside there, and that's what pops it out of the way. So now, as you see, yeah, it pops out. Perfect. Just needed a little lubrication to slide easier. Easy fix. I wish I would have known this sooner, saved me some money. So hopefully this little video will help you and save you from the same mistake. Shoot a little WD-40 and your problem just may be solved. Do this first before you order a new set. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed. Take back check. Throw it for your sanity. We will see you in the next video. Dang.